guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Watford para sa the making of Harry Potter. Warner Brothers Studios. Say hi to my vlog! Ako na lang mag-hi! So, nandito na tayo after almost 2 hours of traveling. There. Guys, sobrang lamig. 4 degrees. Kapunta natin. There you go.
Right towards the front of the line and stand by 1 second because I have a special job for you in a moment's time. Now, first things first, everyone, my name is Gemma and it's my absolute pleasure to welcome you all here today during our Hogwarts in the Snow feature. Now, I'm sure that this is a bit of a silly question considering where we're standing, but I'm asking it anyway. So do humour me with a massive cheer when I ask Harry first heard when he arrived at the castle. And they were, of course, welcome to Hogwarts. Give those doors a push inwards and right. Massive round of applause for Amber today. Happy birthday! And come on in. Everyone, yes, this is the one, the only Great Hall of Hogwarts. This was one of the very first sets ever constructed for the Harry Potter films. And as you make your way in, I'm sure you can tell it's obviously one of the largest. Now, the Great Hall stood for more than 10 years over on our working studio side before it was picked up and brought over here piece by precious piece for the purposes of the tour. And as you can see, the lights are low, the tables are dressed and the fires are lit. And that's what we call in the film industry a hot set. And everything here is ready for filming like it was during production. They're also made out of resin, the longest one behind me reaching about 6 meters long. So make sure you don't stand underneath that, just in case. Now, all of the fabric surrounding the walls behind me, when they first filmed the Goblet of Fire, they did try and paint the Great Hall wall silver. But on film, it looked a lot more grey than they expected, so they decided to cover it with a silver lame fabric instead that gives it that extra little shine.
Gusto mo ibon? Ha? Gusto mo ibon?
Instagram mo nga ako. Ayaw mo?
Guys, we're here in Forbidden what? Forest? Yeah.
Forbidden ba?
Ano? Forbidden daw. So, ayan siya. Katotohanan siya, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, may mga ganyang effect. So, amazing. Diba may lighting effect? So, tingnan nyo, guys. May mga spider webs. And there. There, sa taas. Woo! Ayan guys, pipindutin niya siya. Ay. Then yan. Okay ba guys? Sisa. Visit. Sa train guys. So eto, kung nakikita niyo, hindi tayo kasha. Yan sila sa pakain guys. Tingnan niyo. Yan, nandun yung luggage nila. Ito na yung next. Siya na ilapit sa mukha. Tayo muna natin. Ito, Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix, 2007. Naalala nyo ba yung mga candies? Ito naman, yung 2009, Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. Pero hindi tayo makapasok. Yan, 2011. Ang haba eh. Kayo na magbasa guys.
Okay, so ito na yun. Ito na yun. Ito na yung pinagsushootingan nila. Baba na tayo. Okay?